Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Umar. You're watching Maths with Umar. And in this TD series, textbook exercise series, today we are going to discuss about the second question of exercise 9.3 and the chapter is circles. Okay, a chord of circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, and find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at the point on the major arc. Figure has not been given. Let us draw the figure. A chord of circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Let me draw a circle. This is the circle, and let it be centered. And he has told us that the chord is equal to radius of the circle. So that means all these three are equal. So this is O, this is A, and this is B. OA is equal to OB, and also he has given chord is equal to radius. Is it right? So let us write given. What is given? AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. This is given. Understood or not? Then what? Now he asks us to find the angle subtended by a chord at a point on the minor arc. What is minor arc? The small one. This is the minor arc, right? So take any point over there. Let us take any C. Draw how the angle will be subtended. Join the end points of the chord to the point. So you have to find. So what to find? To find the angle ACB and angle and at any and a point on the major arc. Let us take a point over here B. So how it subtends? So join the ends of the chord to that point. So you have to find angle ADB. So you have to find angle AD. Understood or not? So now, my dear students, so when all the three sides are equal, what is triangle AOB? Now, triangle AOB is equal to, since all the sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. AOB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Right? So, when it is equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. So, how much it is? 60 degrees. Is it right? So, that implies angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Before going to the next steps, I just want to remind you what is theorem 9.7. So, theorem 9.7 is angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point on the remaining part of the circle, right? And after that, what is theorem 9.8? So 9.8, not 9.8, it is theorem 9.9. So in cyclic quadrilateral. So what is a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral if we join any 4 points on the circle. Okay, this is called as cyclic quadrilateral. And what is the property of cyclic quadrilateral? Theorem 9.10 we have studied that the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Understood or not? This is equal to this plus this is equal to 180 degrees. Is it right? So we are going to use these two. Understood or not? That is why we called it. So you have to know about cyclic quadrilateral and theorem 9.7. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. So what is angle AOB? It is the angle subtended by the chord A at the chord AB at the center. So it is 60 degrees. Now what is the angle subtended by this chord at any other point on the remaining part of the circle? It will be half of that, right? So that implies angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to half of angle AOB. So that is equal to half of 60 degrees. So that is equal to, we got angle ADB is equal to, this is equal to 30 degrees. So why it is 30 degrees? By theorem 9.7. By theorem 9.7. So what is theorem 9.7? The angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. Now is it clear? Now everybody, so for your understanding, let us rub this chord and the radii. So what do you see here? ACBD is what? ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. So now let us write the point. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So what did we what is the property we know about cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral, the sum opposite angles are supplementary. So that implies angle ADB plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. You have to write the reason. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay, I am writing in shortcut, you don't write it. Okay, whenever you copy in the notebook, write the full form. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So that implies, what do you know? You know already ADB. ADB is 30 degrees. Plus, what is ACB? You don't know, you have to find it. ACB is equal to 180 degrees. So now I have to find the angle ACB. So therefore transpose 30 degrees to other side. What happens? 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. That is equal to 100. Got it, my dear students? So the angle made at any other point on the major arc is 30 degrees, and the angle made at the minor arc is 150 degrees. So I hope you understood this. See, in examination, no need to rub all these things, but the thing is, you have to visualize this. You have to visualize this. Understood or not? You can draw the same figure after this, okay, for your understanding. And if you draw, even the examiner who is going to correct your papers, they give you, they'll come to know that you know the concept. And if any minor error occurs, so they will either deduct very less marks or they will ignore, because you know the concept, and sometimes you make mistakes. Okay, but try not to make mistakes. Dear students, please write these steps according to the margins. Understood or not? These steps should align to the margins, and try to draw the circle, try to draw the figure neatly. I hope you understood, and if you have not understood anything, please let me know, and please comment. Those who understood, please write your name so that I can understand. These many students of my classes have seen it, and also please copy it in your notebook. Understood, my dear students? Take care, and if you understand the question, please like, share, and subscribe. Understood? Thank you.